Good morning! Happy Saturday! May laro yung boys sa bay. And we are going to Adelaide for Kuya Sap. Kuya Zak Sap Sasa.
And we're gonna watch real footy.
Yes, so kami.
Can I put my skincare on now, Mom?
Not yet.
Please, yet?
Okay, you're gonna get ready. So kami ni Holly, hindi kami sasama sa laro kasi mag-aasikaso daw kami dito. Kasi pagdating nila, alis agad tayo. Okay, so maligo na ako. And you're gonna do
You
your...
need to get ready more than me.
Yeah, I know. Alright, I'm gonna get ready. Ayan si Zaki boy. Good luck. Uy, good luck. Ayan si Kuya. Ayun, good luck, yeah.
And Mom.
Hi again, guys. Ayan, nakaayos na ako. Nakapaglinis tayo ng bahay. And nalaban na namin yung mga uniforms. Ayan, nakasampay na sila. And naglo-load din ako ng mga dapat dalhin. Kasi nung mga nakaraan, nag-load na din kami ng mga damit. Like, kagabi, nag-load ako ng damit ko kagabi. Ngayon, kanina, kinuha ko na sa fridge yung mga hindi namin makakain dito. Nilagay ko na doon sa caravan. And eto yung toiletry. Ilalagay na rin kasi tapos na akong maligo. And si Holly, ready na rin yan. Magja-jacket na lang siya. So, yan yung ating ganap habang yung boys ay naglalaro ng food. Nawala. Bigla na lang kayong na-off. Pero hindi naman siya low bat. Na-off lang yung camera. So, yun yung ang ginawa habang yung ating mga boys ay naglalaro ng footy. And kung mapapansin nyo yung boses ko medyo parang malat. Kasi nung Tuesday, nahawan ako ni Jan. Well, last week si Jan nagkaroon ng parang cold and cough. Then, nung Tuesday, was it Tuesday, Baba? I got this?
Yeah.
Tuesday. And then Wednesday kasi and Thursday, hindi ko pinapasok si Holly sa kanyang dance lesson kasi ako nagpipick up sa kanya, diba? So, hindi kasi gusto kong mag-rest para maging okay tayo. And ngayon, medyo much better than before. Ito na yung mga naiinom kong gamot. Meron tayo ditong Nurofen and etong isa na binigay sa akin ni Jan is Codral, Cold and Flu. So, ayan. And si Kuya meron din, pero much better na rin si Kuya ngayon. Si Holly much better na rin. Kasi nagkaroon din si Holly nung Thursday ata si Holly. Pero ngayon okay na siya. And si Sak ang iniingatan namin na hindi siya mahawan. Kasi nga, diba, mayroon siyang laro ngayon sa Sapsasa, well, sa Monday. So, ang ginawa ni Jan nung ilang araw sila nagtulog sa caravan, 2 araw ata, lalo na yung grabe yung aking ubo, tapos sipon, doon sila natulog ni Sak, kasi nga iniiwas natin si Sak na hindi magkasakit, kasi alam nyo naman na pinagandaan to ni Sak na game or laban sa city, sa Sapsasa. So yun, and yeah, lumalayo siya sa akin, and siya rin yung ng pagkain niya. Prepare ko yung pagkain. Pero siya yung nagkukuha. So, para lang extra careful. So, yun guys. And uminom akong gamot. Kumain lang ako nitong. Nagkagat lang ako kasi wala akong, ngayon hanggang ngayon parang wala akong ganang kumain. So, kumagat lang ako para makainom ako ng Nurofen. So, yun. Ilalagay ko na sa caravan yung ating toiletries. Kasi 11 na. Sabi ni Jan, 11 dapat ready na kami. So, ready naman tayo, guys. So, ilagay ko lang yun. Okay? And dalhin ko to. Ito na yung next kong iinumin kasi naubos ko na to. Ay, wala na. So, ito naman yung next. Okay. Ayan yung caravan natin. Nandiyan na siya sa gilid ng kalsada para pagdating ng boys, alis na tayo. Gawin na natin to. 11:30 na, guys. Wala pa yung aking mag-aama. So, tamang hintayin na lang tayo sa kanila kasi nakapag-load na tayo ng mga dapat i-load doon sa caravan. And, yeah. Ate Melcia, nandito na yung boys and si Sak na injured, guys. My God. Guys, kanina pa tayo nakaalis. Malapit na kami sa Narakot. And si Sak pala, guys. Siya na lang kwento. Injured siya dito, guys. Yung kanyang shoulder.
You can't get it from the audio.
Pero, nanalo sila. Did you win today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell them about your shoulder. So, what happened?
Just landed on that hard.
Huh?
I landed on that hard.
You?
No, some kid pushed me over and I landed on that hard.
Yung kids daw, pinush siya, tapos yun, na,
I got tackled
parang,
and then my knee smashed into the ground.
ang daming tackling daw na nangyari. Ano, ba't ang puti natin? So, ang dami daw tackling nangyari, and si Zach pinull out siya sa second game kasi hindi niya na yung shoulder niya, masakit kasi nabugbog. Kaya, ayan, hopefully maging okay siya bago ang laro niya dito sa Sapsasa. So meron siyang bandage dyan. And si Auntie Mel kanina, di ba, nasa bahay, natid namin siya sa bahay kasi si Uncle Jace nang tinawagan niya nasa work. Pagpunta ni Auntie Mel sa bay, dala niya yung car ni Dad kasi pina-service niya. So pag uwi niya, wala siyang car, so hinatid namin siya. Yun. And meron tayong kasama na magka-caravan din. Magkatabi tayo sa sa West Beach. Sila Max. Nakita niyo na 'yun si Brody and the family. Di ba dumilim na? Dito kami sa Kit, kuha tayo ng food. Ano na, guys? 2:33 na. Ngayon pala kayo magla-lunch. Okay. Kuha ako ng chicken. And si Sak, ayan mga kinuha nila. Yeah, finally guys, the sun is gone. Grabe, insert ko. Nakabita ito dito kanina. Inano ko siya. Nasa phone ko, binidyo ko. Grabe, ang sakit sa dibdib yung init kasi ito
Down the hill, we go that way, we're going to get it again.
May araw ulit daw mamaya. Ngayon lang kami nakapagpahinga sa araw, as in the whole travel, yung sun nasa harapan namin. Ito, ang sakit ko na nito. Hindi pa naman ako nag-sunscreen dito. Yung lotion, may sunscreen naman yun. Pero grabe, sobrang hapdi ng araw. Si Sak pala, nag-stop kanina, nandun siya kay Max. Doon sa kasama natin na maglalaro din. Si Max, nakita niyo yun si Max, yung anak ni Brody. Ayan na nga yung sun ulit. Ayan. Matatapat na naman siya sa atin.
Baby.
Ayan na yung sun. Hanggang makarating tayo sa... Ayan. Lagay nyo na rin yung kanyang shade. Alright.
Mom, we're not in Adelaide just yet.
Yeah, this is Adelaide na baba. Ayan yung ating kasama. Doon si Zach. Ayan yung kanilang caravan. May train lang na dumaan. Diyan gaganapin yung Sapsasa sa Monday. Ayan. Malapit na tayo, guys. Dito na tayo sa West Beach Parks. Ayan. So, across lang to ng Caravan Park. Big 4. Walking lang. Like last year kay Kuya. Check-in lang to si Johnny Boy. Ka-check-in tayo. Ayan na yung mga boys. Pabuksan nila yung gate. Wala masyado pa. Siguro nagbabiyahe pa yung iba. Kasi last year puno na to. Ayan, binigyan si Jan ng nakasimangot kasi 12 yung speed niya. Dapat 10 lang. Ayan, sila mag set up ng tent.
Huh?
Yung dalawa na doon kay Willow. Kila Max na car.
car too.
Yes. we
And
are.
that same caravan was just where that caravan was.
Yeah. So, straight lang ni dyan yung ating caravan.
That's good? Yeah, just come and have a look. Nah, they got it wrong.
Ang dilim na. Ngayon, lalagyan na ni Sak yung mga stoppers sa gulong. Si Kuya nasa bath, nasa toilet. Ang dilim. Kumakain ako ng mandarin. Ito pa yung tira na bigay sa amin ng taga-Adelaide, yung nag-charter kay Jan. Pangalawa ko na to. Ang tamis-tamis. Ang ano ko ng panlasa, mapakla. Mapakla siya. Mapakla. May asin ako dito. Kailangan ko to ngayon. Yung mga boys, tinutulungan ni si Daddy. Habang si Mami kumakain dito. Up. Ilawan natin si Jan.
Like Voltana.
Yeah, but we'll try to get some, so just go easy tonight. Rest
Yeah, rest your arm.
Going on Farm Fox later. Yeah, we're going to the flooring.
Tinatanggal niyo lang yung mga nakakabit para ma-park nyo natin ng maayos yung car.
Get the key off the dash, TJ, and open up the door and get the key and unlock the thing, get the thing out.
Oh. Put the lights on na, yeah. Yeah. Down ng light.
He never locked them.
Oh, it's not locked? Ayan, nakalas na yung ating car. Higa muna kasi sakit ng ulo ko. At saka lamig sa labas. And siguro 3 araw na ako or pa-4 ng araw na wala akong vlog. Kasi hindi ako makapag-edit kasi nga sumasakit yung ulo ko. So, talagang nagro-rest lang ako. Ayun yung mga bata. Nalobat pala ako guys kanina, pero nakapagnap akong very very light. And alis kami, hanap kami ng kakainan. Suot na pala ni Sak yung kanyang Crocs.
Pushing me over.
Just don't hurt
No,
yourself.
no, no, they were pushing me because I was playing and I was just going like, bang.
No, stop.
Yeah, and I was just running through them
Just
like.
don't.
Kailangan nyo mag-rest. Naglalaro pa sila. Doon sila kanina pala guys. Oh. Nagpuputi sila kanina dito. Tapos dumiretso sila doon. Doon sila naglalaro. Doon sa jumping pillow.
Huh?
Huh?
Did you see the airport district they play for?
Airport District. What's that?
The team.
A team for Sapsasa.
Who's that?
You?
No,
No.
I play for Lower South.
I know. That's right.
You know that kid with the blue jumper?
Back to ano tayo, car.
Hey, Rob.
Was it running?
No, I didn't turn it off. I didn't touch anything. Don't turn it off because I'm freezing.
It
I'm
won't-
freezing.
It'll stay warm.
Yeah,
Just turn on and get that on. Leave Mum, I'm not here.
Off niya daw yung heater sa caravan. Sabi ko, wag kasi nilalamig talaga ako. McDonald's for first night. Ito yung in-order ko instead of Coke doon sa aking meal. Ayan yung macaron chocolate ni Zach. Kasi hindi siya kumakain ng McDonald's, di ba? Ha? I'm alright, thank you. Good? That's mine. Ayan yung ating hot fudge. Ay, come on. Bring that one up. Dito tayo. Ayan sa kanya. Let Kuya Sak have some. This one, Zach. You wanna try this first? Habang hindi ko pa siya kinakain. Si Kuya, chicken wrap. Mine is better. Mine is better, yeah? Huh? Way better? Huh? Mine? Is this mine?
Yeah.
That's it.
Cheeseburger.
Yeah. Ang oily naman. That's serviette there. Kuya, can you get a serviette there, yeah, please? Kuya, there's a tissue there. Are you done? Huh? Where's the lady is? Huh? You like her? Naman house? Manunod. Gusto sana namin, lalo na ako, gusto ko sana dun sa Ginag mag-dinner. Kaso, thank you. May laro yung Essie doon. So, kailangan mabilisan lang yung dinner natin.
That's a rock rat. Yeah. Same as brought in.
Init. Very hot sa.
You get these to work? Yeah, they've gone.
You don't have it. Too late na. Meron silang spicy shaker seasoning. Bago to, hindi ko alam. Have you? Yeah. Hindi ako lang, you got to. Meron yung Jumilo, ayaw niya. Baba, you want more? I'm gonna put spicy now.
What's that?
Well, 11 o'clock. There you go and driving range, you just get into it. Yeah, it's right there, Nick. What time are we going to leave it?
First, ano siya, maanghang talaga.
I won't have mac fries.
We're back in the car, guys. Tapos na tayo kumain. Hindi ko napakita sa inyo yung kinain ni Jan is double cheeseburger. Tapos, isa pang single burger, cheese din. And 10 nuggets. Si Sak, ang kinain niya lang is macarons. Si Kuya, chicken wrap na hindi niya nagustuhan. Si Holly, ano lang siya, yung soft sundae na, ice cream. And ako yun, yung nakita nyo. Ang init ng ating,
Sit here?
Nah, see.
Why?
Go,
So it feels like it's
come on, let's go. Bibili kami ng, cream sa shoulder ni Sak. Okay, punta tayo ng pharmacist. Si Kuya nandun kila Max. Umuwi na sila. Kasi tayo may kukunin lang tayo dito para kay Saki. Deep heat yata. Ewan ko anong pangalan nun. First time namin itong bibilhin. National Pharmacist. Okay. Not here, huh? That's all pods here. There's where's the sports? What you called? Voltarine? Ah, deep heat.
This Dad. When
Get the night and extra strength.
Tape rub.
Heat rub.
Wait, no, what's not smooth? Smooth.
Kuha tayo nitong inhaler, Vicks inhaler. Para sa aking ilong. So, meron tayong Tiger Balm and inhaler Vicks. Naghahanap pa ng bandage.
Did you find it?
Yeah. This one?
Same sort.
Yeah, there's one other.
Otherwise, you know, your Elastoplast rigid tape comes in different widths, but what's this width here? That's the same width. And then you've got this one which is thinner. Yeah.
Is it the thinner one?
Huh?
That one's better.
You want this one? Oh. Oh, no.
Rock tapes.
No, you're
Buttermint.
better than these. Do you want honey and lemon, black currant?
And this
no,
one.
black currant's bad, TJ said.
Is it?
What about honey?
Oh, I'm gonna get this. Yeah, thank you. Ano? Pinamoy niya na. Pinamoy niya na kasi curious siya kung anong amoy niya. First time kasi namin yung bilhin eh. First injured kasi siya eh. Kaya bumili na tayo.
Yeah.
She went
Dito na tayo sa caravan.
and she does that.
Papalagay na siya nung heat dip ba yun?
I'll take her off. Go this one.
Come here.
Go that one first. There. Just whip her off.
Help him on. You're alright, Zach.
When you get hairs like
Laki, wala kang balahibo, Zach.
Hey, you
Amoy niya. Inaamoy niya talaga.
you'll remember anyway. The heat one.
Okay.
Where's the towel?
Yeah. Okay, do it, Anne. Zach, be careful. Let me see.
Does it burn? Stop. It hurts. No. Put it all here.
Where's it sore?
All here.
What, the whole arm?
Like all this muscle and all that.
Oh, so, let me see.
All here.
Yeah, red
What's
it
that
is.
one? Yeah, I know, it's so red. Let me see, Saki. Ang pula-pula.
So it hurts.
Go that side so I can see it,
Let
Sak.
me see this way. There.
And
Just there. Just this bit here.
And here.
in the back.
No, I don't need that yet.
Dr. Johnny Boy. Go that way, Nak. Yeah.
Where I'm next.
Ang pula, no?
Yeah, now it's half into me.
This side, Sak.
Because I'm scared. It doesn't even burn.
Not yet. Just wait. You wait. Maybe you're gonna say, "Oh, I'm gonna have a shower now. I'm gonna wash it off." Yeah, ang pula-pula.
Alright.
This hurts all there, back there too.
It's the backhand. Even that one, Han. Even not a backhand. Put it.
What the
Nothing
back?
up the shoulder,
Nothing
it's
up
just
the
the
shoulders.
arm.
Ah, alright.
It's stinging on that.
Yeah, that's alright.
Oh,
Anyway.
right.
Ang pula, no? Why it's so red, Han?
It's so itchy. It's so itchy up here.
If anyone gets smart, they just grab them with their heads. Yeah. See.
Hindi ko na kuna.
Burns. Getting hot.
Yup. Where's the controller?
Don't lay on the bed.
Are you gonna put,
Just put a t-shirt on.
are you gonna
Same
put
t-shirt.
something? The tape? No. Tomorrow.
Oh, we're going to take one too.
Ah, you're gonna put tape on?
Not now.
Yeah.
Let that all dry
Oh,
first.
Dry.
I'll dry.
Yeah. Maghilamos na kami ni Holly. Hilamos time! Dala niya yung kanyang skincare. So, ito yung skincare ni Holly. Si Ever and Eden, New York. Ito yung kanyang face wash. Kalimutan niya lang yung kanyang headband. And ito yung cream niya. Pwede daw to sa baby din. Sa pagkakaalam ko itong cream. But yeah, search nyo na lang yan. And ito yung atin, yung salwaso. Meron tayo ditong, ito yung cleanser foam and yung gentle cleanser oil. So, yan yung ating gagamitin tonight. Dito ako. The towel's over there, honey.
Yeah.
Mag-cleansing oil muna tayo. Lalo-lalo na naka lightly ano tayo, yung tinted kong ano. Not tinted, yung gamit kong foundation is yung serum foundation ni Lux Skin. Oh, ito yun.
In time, when my house is lovely. In time for my kids' YouTube body and face cream. Done my face cream.
You're done? I almost finished it. Okay, let's go. You get the card key?
Yes.
Okay. Dito na po guys, naka-PJs na siya. And ako din. And nakalagay na rin ako ng aking mga orasyon sa aking mukha. Ngayon, maglalagay ako nitong soothing ng Innisfree. Ayan. Heart leaf yung ano niya. Ang tawag dito.
Love you.
Nais, pinapalayo kita sa... Are you not gonna put the tape? Tomorrow na lang. Hindi.
Wait, Dad, can I put it tomorrow?
No, you can put that maybe on Monday when you play.
reaction because of Pringles. So good though.
Maganda to kasi manipis lang, ha?
Is it okay if I do my hair when I go to sleep?
No, don't tie your hair, Baba. When you
No,
go
like
to
this.
Yeah, no.
Why?
Because you're gonna lose lots of hair. You need,
Who's in the middle with
you have to let your hair breathe.
Who?
Ang cute naman. Okay. Nung isang araw, kagabi, retinol yung gamit ko na mask. Yung Some by Me.
So I can't have it like this.
No.
Riley Chapman should be.
Then, squeeze natin ito kasi mandami pa tong laman, guys. Okay natin yan sa leeg.
So cold. Is that good?
Put t-shirt, Zachary.
Ridley into the middle of the ground. Open is Goldstein. Connor is narrow.
Nanood sila ng puti. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Good night, guys. Ayusin lang natin to, no?
Davey doesn't even have it. There he is, number 30.
Because I think